Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the key strategies for making an online business successful. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your existing business to the next level, these tips will help you thrive. So, let's get started. Building a successful online business requires careful planning and execution. Here are some essential steps to guide you on your path to success. Step 1. Define your target audience. Understanding your ideal customer's needs, preferences, and pain points is crucial. Conduct market research, analyze competitors, and create buyer personas to tailor your products or services effectively. Step 2. Develop a solid branding strategy. Your brand identity sets you apart from the competition. Define your brand values, design a compelling logo and website, and craft a consistent brand voice across all platforms. Step 3. Build an engaging online presence. Leverage social media, content marketing, and search engine optimization to attract and connect with your target audience. Consistently provide valuable content and interact with your followers to build trust and credibility. Step 4. Offer exceptional customer experience. Provide excellent customer support, make it easy for customers to reach you, and promptly address their concerns. Happy customers become repeat customers and advocates for your business. Step 5. Optimize your website for conversions. Ensure your website is user-friendly, loads quickly, and has clear calls to action. Implement effective sales funnels, upsell and cross-sell opportunities, and use analytics to continuously improve your website's performance. Step 6. Embrace innovation and adapt to changes. The online business landscape is constantly evolving. Stay updated on industry trends, new technologies, and customer demands. Be willing to adapt, experiment, and iterate your strategies to stay ahead of the curve. Remember, building a successful online business takes time, effort, and perseverance. It's not an overnight success story, but with dedication and the right strategies, you can achieve your goals. That wraps up our guide to making an online business successful. I hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. If you have any questions or want to share your success stories, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your journey to online business success.